he backs to
coming
the
soon on
he
Shopee.
backs to the training. Coming soon on Shopee. Coming soon on Shopee. Coming soon on Shopee.
Okay, finish.
I want to upload it on Shopee. So what? I want to work out with Golden Jewel. So Golden Jewel is
Keychain yan, hindi golden jewel po.
so
It's a keychain.
we need to make a keychain featuring Golden Jewel.
You can use in your cell phone, your wallet, your bag.
You can use it on your cell phone, wallet, keychain, and use it on your barracks. Look at my barracks here. So many barracks. I want to join their barracks with Golden Jewel.
Let them show how to make
Okay, let them show you how to make a keychain, and I will gonna show you how to make a keychain. So we have Golden Jewel joined the Fire Emblem YouTubers. So I am interest of the Fire Emblem YouTuber, so I'll practice it. So Golden Jewel is the first.
Una, bubuhulin muna.
So step 1, put the bottom and put the beads. Put the beads and put the box and put the beads again, and wait a minute. Sao is removed from Fire Emblem Heroes Global.
Bubuhulin uli.
I will gonna wire on it, and we have so we have to join in the party after revisiting again. So yes,
tapos bubuhulin uli yung dalawa.
Yes, using.
Okay, this is my finished product.
This is my finished product, and Sao wants to remove, and he backs to
coming soon on
he backs
Shopee.
to the training. Coming soon on Shopee. Coming soon on Shopee. Coming soon on Shopee.
Okay, finish.
So invite my channel and Mina and Prince TV. Also available. Want this game? The name of the gamer of Fire Emblem Heroes and Mobile Legends is Jewel Japan. What's the name of I think is what's the name of the Japan? What's the name of
A few moments later.
this channel? What's going on? What's the name of this channel? I don't know. I think is wait a minute. Golden Jewel. Golden
Dragon.
Golden Dragon Jewel. This is Golden Jewel. And welcome back to the Fire Emblem Heroes. Today I show you once weekend support to Phoenix Master 1 in Fire Emblem. Wait a minute. Cut mo na lang. we must to support in Phoenix Master. Wait a minute. Golden Jewel is new VTuber. You must support Phoenix Master 1, Lucky Crit, and other VTubers. Fire Emblem YouTuber. Fire Emblem YouTuber. This is Golden Jewel will join in Fire Emblem YouTubers. So we have a dragon, golden dragon with the jewelry. So I can see a Melody Jewel, else I will create, I will wait a minute. So, Golden Jewel will join you in Golden Jewel's channel. So I'm going to voicing out of this. So I need the voice of Golden Jewel. Hello guys. Wait a minute. Let's go see. Hello guys, it's your boy Golden Jewel and welcome back for some of Fire Emblem Heroes and Mobile Legends. Already include Genshin Impact. What is going on, Golden Jewel? I want to create my VTuber channel. Oh good. You must to support Golden Jewel. Yes, I want to be a VTuber. Fire Emblem YouTuber. Yes, of course. Okay. This is I have my dragon. So we have to need the Golden Jewel. I want to use a Dimitri, Edelgard. Plus 10 Edelgard until wait to the plus 10 fallen Edelgard legendary mythic. Shh. Okay, I have a plan for mythic heroes like plus 10 Brave Edelgard, plus 10 Brave Dimitri, plus 10 Fallen Edelgard. I want to be more Edelgards. Only Edelgard, 1 Violet, unlimited Edelgard from the 3 houses. So we have a stick and rock was being removed. We have a Golden Jewel. I want to create this logo, Golden Jewel. With these characters include.
Oh, diba? Look, Mommy Dragon. Sunod, tuturuan kita ng konting technique na alam ko. Gawa tayo ng baby dragon. Na? Kasi pagka sing laki niyan, ang laki ng wire eh. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng foil sa gitna para mataba yung body, no? Ayan, kasi payat yung body niya. So, dapat yung next project ni Mami, medyo mataba yung body, no?
Mommy and baby.
Gusto mo ba yan? Gusto mo ba yan, Dragon? Bigay ko na yan sa'yo. Gusto mo?
Magkano to?
Hindi ko pa alam magkano bebenta kasi maraming ginamit dyan na coil eh, na ito, na wire. Kukompute ko pa. So, yan, hindi ko bebenta kasi first dragon ko yan eh. Nag-practice ako for you.
Ano tong wings?
Wings? Yung wings, design ko lang yan eh. Pero nakita ko yung ibang wings, hindi ganyan. So, next time, ang wings ko ay papalitan natin ng design.
Sige.
Baga, lalagay ko yun doon sa table ko eh. Baga yung first gawa ko. Yan, para may souvenir ako. Gagawa na lang kita ng ibang dragon, ha?
Opo.
Dito muna yan sa'yo. Gusto mo? Stay muna sa'yo yan.
Opo.
Kung gusto mo yan, bigay ko na lang yan sa'yo.
Hello, this is Melody Jewel and welcome back for some of Fire.
Oh?
Wait a minute.
Again. Yung channel natin, invite mo.
Okay. Hello, invite my channel on YouTube. Welcome back to my Fire Emblem Heroes. Today is Melody Jewel and welcome back to the Fire Emblem Heroes. So we have a Prince 3D and Arts collection, and Melody Jewel is now on my channel. Prince 3D and Arts and Melody Jewel. I am a gamer of Mobile Legends. And hello, good evening. What is up? It's Prince Marcos Laksa, and I want to play Mobile Legends Fire Emblem Heroes. And today, subscribe my channel. Okay, invite my channel. Search Prince Marcos S Laksa II and Fire Emblem Collector. So I want to collect those Fire Emblem collections. And
why don't you invite Mina and Prince TV?
Wait. Why you have to invite Mina and Prince TV? Invite Mina and Prince TV here, and also you can support us to me. This is okay. Prince Marcos S Laksa is now changed Melody Jewel. Okay, Melody Jewel. Call my channel is Melody Jewel. Thank you. Golden Jewel will join you.
Can you say bye-bye? Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and thank you for watching. So, Golden Jewel is gonna join you.
O, sa'yo na lang yan. Bigay ko na lang yan sa'yo, ha?
Apo, coming soon.
Wala man, thank you.
Thank you, Mami, ha. Thank you,
Oh,
Mami.
Mami Dragon yan. You take care of that.
Okay, coming soon, Golden Jewel will join the Fire Emblem YouTubers. Can you meet us, Golden Jewel? Can you meet us, Golden Jewel? Here. I'm going to voice out. So, coming soon in the anime of Golden Jewel, I will re-edit some Fire Emblem Heroes in anime series, please. So we have Golden Jewel has a chance in Fire Emblem YouTuber. So support Golden Jewel. So he wants to make a free-to-play Abyssal. Golden Jewel is here. So we have earned orbs to summon Edelgard Dimitri from 3 houses. And he needs orbs. Did you know Golden Jewel will save orbs for plus 10 units for favorite? Golden Jewel is favorite Edelgard and Dimitri. So we have Golden Jewel needs Edelgard and Dimitri, so have to promise. So Golden Jewel channel is here. Coming soon on Golden Jewel. So subscribe Golden Jewel here, and we need a lot of patience.